मौन खाली नहीं है, इसमें सभी जवाब समाये हैं।
So your silence, what you say silence or stillness, that silence is not empty. It is full of answers. हमें लगता है अरे ध्यान करेंगे शून्य में जाके क्या मिलेगा, ये क्या पागलपंती है शून्य में, बट दैट शून्य इज नॉट एम्प्टी, इट इज फुल ऑफ आंसर्स। जैसे सफेद रंग में सारे रंग समाये हुए हैं, वैसे ही मौन में सारे उत्तर समाये हुए हैं। वो शून्य शून्य नहीं है। When you become that empty, when you become that stillness, that pure stillness, actually you are in two states. You are aligned with your consciousness and you become aligned with the quantum field. Now there is no separation between the consciousness and the quantum field. Now anything is possible. Prakriti और पुरुष एक हो गए. The creator and the creation became one. किसान और बीज दोनों एक हो गए. किसान क्या होने? क्रिएटर है, पुरुष, एंड बीज प्रकृति है, वो एक हो गया. That is when magic happens. That is when the fruit can be instantaneous. And from the scientific angle also, we are vibrating at certain frequency. That state of frequency, we are vibrating so fast, such a high vibration that it becomes flat. So every time you vibrate at the tip of that frequency, with the frequency peaks out, you tune into the quantum field. The faster you tune into the quantum field. Such a speed at the peak of the pure stillness, when you tune into pure consciousness, at the apex of the pyramid, you are vibrating so fast that it's like a flat line now. You become the quantum field. The more you are in a state of high beta, anger or flight and fight mode, in sympathetic nervous system, operating from that state, the less you are in tune with the field. So मौन खाली नहीं है, इसमें सभी जवाब समाये हुए हैं. And that is where the clarity comes, right? That is where the insight comes. No matter what the problem is, the solution emerges. Einstein said, I think 99 times I don't get an answer. I sit in silence one time and the answer emerges. There's a story of Thomas Edison, one of the greatest inventor of US. What he used to do is, every time in the afternoon, he would work on some problem and wanting to find the answer, work on many inventions. And then in the afternoon, he'll have lunch and then he'll go take an afternoon nap. He used to take a nap sitting on his research chair. He'll take the nap because there's no time to go anywhere or lie down. And what he'll do is keep a ball in his hand. And the moment he falls asleep, the ball falls from his hand, right? And that moment, he sees what is the thought going in his mind. And that is where the answer emerges. He said, all my inventions came in that state. Not when he was thinking hard. Thinking hard gave to the desire to solve the problem. But actually the solution came in that state of non-thinking. In that alpha state of being. That's why sometimes, we all observe, right? When we are walking in nature, all of a sudden some answer emerges, some insight comes up. When we're taking a shower, we're not even thinking about the problem. All of a sudden, insight comes. During meditation, insight comes. When you're in a state of pure relaxation, that is when the insight comes, because you're tuned into the field. इसलिए मौन को कभी खाली ना समझे. इसमें सभी जवाब समाये हुए हैं. सभी तालों की चाबी है उसमें. 100 सवाल, एक जवाब. मौन. Rumi said, the silence has 1,000 tongues. आपकी हमारी एक जुबान है, मौन की 1000 जुबान है.